po, nagbabalik ang inyong mga kaagapay at kapiling natin ngayong gabi si Sir Bernard Reyes ng Philippine Insurance Club. Marami to. Member from Western Guarantee Insurance. And of course, we have Mr. Pascual Carbero, President ng Philippine Insurance Club o PIC, and at the same time member from Trata Assurance Corporation. Gentlemen, welcome to the program.
Good evening po.
Okay. Ngayong gabi ay natutuwa po kami. This is the first time na nakapag-invite kami ng mga taga insurance. Ayun, non-life. Alam mo, sineselebrate kasi ang Insurance Consciousness Week. Okay. Tell us the public, ano ba ang sineselebrate at ano ang ibig sabihin ng Insurance Consciousness Week? What is this all about? Ano naman ang pakinabang nito doon sa ating mga manunood, sa ating mga kababayan? Is this important, sir? Go ahead. May we hear the President, Mr. Carbero.
Yeah, the Insurance Consciousness has been conceptualized for the purpose of making the public be aware of to make the general public be more aware of their benefits on insurance.
Okay, meaning to say non-life.
Non-life.
Ayan. Ang alam kasi namin, magpapa-insure ka nung sasakyan mo.
Yeah.
Kapag ikaw ay
one of the things na pwedeng i-insure.
I-insure mo.
Sasakyan.
Tapos naman, di ba, yung sasakyan, yung bahay mo, ayaw mo, kapag may sunog, kapag naka-insure yan, na-insured yung bahay mo, definitely, kapag may nasunog yan, makakakuha ka.
Yes.
Yun lang. Pero yung level of awareness ng ating mga kababayan patungkol sa insurance, napakababa. Tama ako doon?
Tama. Hindi pa rin ganun kataas.
Okay.
That is the reason why yung Insurance Commission doon nga na approve yung micro-insurance policy.
Okay, what is this? What is this micro-insurance
Alam niyo yung
policy?
micro-insurance by the word itself, micro, no? This is insurance na ginawang tidbits or chunks. Meaning, nung araw kasi samang Paski, di ba?
Yeah.
Ang mga mayayaman lang ang pwedeng bumili ng insurance eh. So ngayon, parang ni-retail namin. No? Ni-retail namin para even the lowest income sector ay makakapag-afford ng insurance. That is micro-insurance. People now believe in insurance because of micro-insurance. Why? Kasi madaling, it's very affordable, it's very accessible, and dependable. Meaning, hindi na mahirap mag-claim sa insurance. No? That is why the people now are starting to believe in insurance. And this is also part of the insurance industry's contribution of making people aware of insurance. Insurance Consciousness Week nga, sabi nga ni Presidente Paski.
Okay. Sir, sige, may dadagdag kayo doon sa sinabi ni Sir Bernard?
Yeah. Per our records, as of today, we started this micro has been launched way back in 2010, and during that time, there were about 6.6% that were of our Filipino, that our poor Filipinos, low-income people, has been insured with us. After 2 years thereafter, it doubled up to 13.6%. So this low-income group has been insured already.
Okay. I'll give you one example. Let's say for example, mayroon isang nangyayari ngayon sa Albay. Yung eruption ng Mayon Volcano. Yung mga kababayan doon, kung halimbawa, mayroon silang malawak na taniman ng palay, taniman ng mga corn, okay. Taniman ng mangga, taniman ng kung ano-anong halaman. Kung yan ay insured dito sa inyo o kaya anumang insurance company, sa madaling salita, mawala man yon, matabunan man yon, makaka-claim siya.
Maraming pwedeng i-insure dyan, no? Yung mga ari-arian.
Pwede po yung mga pananim?
Yung pananim, covered po yan. That's a different line of insurance. May crop insurance yan.
Crop insurance.
Pero still insurance pa rin?
Insurance pa rin
Okay.
siya. Non-life insurance pa rin.
Okay, mayroon ganon.
Meron din.
Pero again, the level of awareness ng mga tao pagdating sa ganon ay napakababa.
Tama.
Di ba po? Dito naman sinasabi niyo pong the micro insurance for everyone. Ibig sabihin, kahit na ordinaryong tao ka, pwede ka.
Yes.
Dito?
Even the ballot vendors, yung mga dating hindi pa nakakahawak ng o nakakakita man lang ng insurance policy, ngayon pwede na.
Okay, you made mention about na even ballot vendor, pwede ka dito. Paano
Yes.
po? Siyempre, gusto sila, interesado sila. Kung narinig nila ito right now, siguro mag-iisip yung ating mga kababayan, teka muna, kahit pala ako balot vendor, kahit pala ako candy, nagtitinda lang ako ng
Yes.
candy sa tabi-tabi, pwede pala ako. Paano po yan?
Alam nyo, yung Philippine Insurers Club, yung pinangungunahan ni Presidente Pasky, talagang very active sila, no? Very active kami, mga member companies, na papalawakin ang kaalaman ng tao about microinsurance, no? Or even insurance itself. Bukas, di ba, meron tayong activity, no, na we go to the barangay level. Saan nga to, Presidente?
Barangay San Jose.
So this is part of your activity
Oo.
in connection
Kasi-
with the Insurance Consciousness Week. Sige
Maraming
po.
hindi nakakaalam eh. Like, hindi lang farmers, street vendors, fisher folk, mga dating tao na who have never owned an insurance policy can now own an insurance policy. For ang sinasabi nga namin sa kumpanya namin kasi presyo lang ng ilang text at sigarilyo, meron ka ng micro-insurance eh.
So, ibig sabihin-
50 pesos.
Okay, 50 pesos per
Oo.
month?
Oo.
50 pesos per month, big
Ay,
sabihin?
1 year.
Okay, 1 year.
1 year.
So, big sabihin, ganun
Yes.
mura.
Kamura.
And then, yung benefits naman doon ay...
Example, yung isang, yun nga, palagi kong sinishare yung balot vendor kasi kami mismo sa Western Guarantee nagkaroon kami ng experience dyan. Isang balot vendor bumili sa isang distributor namin ng microinsurance. Nagbayad siya ng 50 pesos. Na sawing palad na aksidente. So, binayaran namin siya ng 5,000
Pesos.
pesos.
5,000 pesos. Ang 50 pesos lang yung ano niya.
Prima.
Yung membership, is that the coverage for 1 year?
1 year po
What do
yun.
you call that kind of insurance?
Ang merong generic name yan yung buhay, bahay, kabuhayan microinsurance. That was spearheaded by the Insurance Commission. So yung buhay, bahay, kabuhayan covers the three most significant or most important assets of an individual. Yung nga, yung buhay, yung bahay, at saka yung kabuhayan
Okay.
niya.
So ito yung gusto nyong palawakin ngayon. Ito yung campaign ninyo.
Yun ang campaign ng Philippine Insurance
Micro insurance for every
One.
Okay. Ilan yung target nyo dito? So far, na pwedeng mag-member in span of 1 or 2 years?
Eh, ilan ba ang ating...
Actually, we are targeting about 20 million because the marginalized group are now about 28 million.
Okay.
So that is the trust of the microinsurance group to give protection to these low-income people.
Okay.
Is
This
around
is
28
different, sir. This is different dun sa ibang mga insurance pag nalaman nila yung insurance. Ano ba ito? Parang ito ba yung sa educational? This is different?
yung educational
ganyan,
is a different thing. Yan yung sa pre-need
Yes,
So
industry. yan
that's
eh.
different.
Different po yun.
Actually, pag nakakarinig din yung ibang mga kababayan natin patungkol dito, parang kinakabahan sila. I do not want to be victimized by this dahil ito na yung nangyari dun sa mga anak ko, hindi nakapag-aral. Pero, ibig sabihin, naloko kami. This is really different.
Ang mga ordinaryong mamamayan ay hindi na kailangan mangamba. Kasi ang Insurance Commission, ang sabi ng Insurance Commission requirement ng mga insurance companies, kailangan magbayad kayo ng claim not more than
10 days.
10 days.
Okay.
But insurance companies now na nag-o-offer ng microinsurance, hindi na nag-aantay ng 10 days eh.
Okay.
On the average, 3 days, 2 days. Even while you wait,
Okay,
basta
sir.
kompleto.
Mr. Bernard Reyes, you are the Vice President of the Western Guarantee Corporation.
Opo.
This is a non-life insurance.
Non-life po yan.
Okay. How many years are you in the business?
Ang Western Guarantee celebrating our 50th
So, ibig
golden.
sabihin, the business is going on
Yes,
well.
yes.
Kaya kayo tumagal na ganito sa negosyo.
Kaya tumagal yan because of the commitment of our founder, at saka yung owners namin.
So wala naman history po na natakot yung nagkaroon ng lukuhan so far na ako ay naka-insure sa inyo pagkatapos hindi ako nabayaran so far. Walang ganung history.
Fortunately, kaya kami nakakatanggap ng certification from the Insurance Commission na wala kaming pending claims or wala kaming even pending complaints.
So good standing
Oo,
in the
awa ng
business.
Diyos.
Okay, we have a question here. 50 pesos per year, kahit ilang beses ako maaksidente, same amount pa rin ba makukuha ko? Let's say for example, hindi 50 pesos. Let's say for example, 100, 200.
Pwede naman.
So pwede
Well,
naman po yun.
Of course.
Okay, ang tawag doon ay
Ang microinsurance, I think ang maximum limit
Limit
ng
is 25,000 to 30,000.
ang premium.
Because no,
Ang-
the coverage of microinsurance depends on the daily income of the insured. According to the Insurance Commission, the maximum insurance coverage should not exceed 500 times of the minimum daily wage of the non-work
Okay.
of the non-agricultural workers.
okay, let's say for example, sa isang ordinaryong manggagawa, ang kinikita niya is minimum.
Okay.
So magkano yung pwede niyang
He can minimum 5%. No, the minimum is 400, so he can get 25,000.
So,
coverage.
400 pesos per year.
Yeah.
So, ibig sabihin,
No, that is the maximum coverage. 400 times 500, that is 20,000. That would be the coverage
okay.
of the insured.
So, magkano yung babayad niya doon?
And
In terms of sum insured, I think ngayon ang maximum sa microinsurance is I think not more than 400,000.
So, that's yes. That's more than
Not
400.
more than 400,000.
Okay.
Yan ang maximum.
Okay.
But of course, the higher the sum insured, the higher din ang premium. Ano?
Okay.
Like example, yung 50 pesos kanina,
Opo.
ang sum insured niya mga 5,000.
5,000.
And it covers not only accident. We also give bereavement assistance. We also cover yung mga ari-arian niya pag nasunog. Ang bayad nun, 5,000.
Okay, one last question bago po kayo namin pakawalan. Lumagal ng medyo mahabang panahon. Bakit gusto niyong i-push ito? Bakit hindi ito noon? Bakit ngayon ito ginawa ninyo?
because nakita ng gobyerno ang pangangailangan ng ating mahihirap, na kapag sila ay namatay at walang insurance, kawawa naman yung mga natirang naiwan na pamilya. So now, upon their death, the bereaved members of the family can be partially financially protected.
Okay. And then, how are you going to make this para mapalawak nyo yung campaign?
Alam niyo yung living up to our good name, no? Living up to our promise. Kasi yung insurance, it's only a piece of paper that we guarantee na pag may nangyari sa inyo at magbabayad kami. No? So, yun lang.
Okay. Sir, ngayon po ay pinagdiriwang ng Insurance Consciousness Week. May we hear your message sa ating mga manonood? Go ahead, Sir Bernard.
Maraming salamat sa pag-invite nyo sa amin ngayon, especially sa akin. Kasi eksakto dahil my company, Western Guarantee Corporation, is celebrating our 50th anniversary. And we are one of the staunch advocates of microinsurance. And thanks to the support of our owner, si Mrs. Evelyn Ang, our GM, si Claire Chua, at yung aming mga valued agents and brokers, na silang may dahilan kung bakit kami umabot sa 50 years. And I also would like to commend yung masipag naming presidente na talagang gabit araw, madaling araw pinupush talaga yung insurance.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bernard.
Salamat
and Mr. Pascual, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Salamat po sa ating mga guests at huwag po kayong aalis dahil magbabalik po ang inyong mga kaagapay.